Avenge ye Kenny. Senators, at 17 I saved my father from destruction by the Carthaginian cavalry. Now, 15 years later, Hannibal is still in Italy. Rome must be freed from this menace. Our only way is to lead an army into Africa. If you don't impede me, you will see that as I land in Africa, Hannibal will quit Italy. No one can accuse me of malice in my opposition to the plan of our valiant consul. Hannibal won't be deceived by this stratagem and pursue Scipio. Rome can't raise two armies. Rome would be unprotected should Hannibal attack the city. I challenge the opinion of Fabius Maximus. Tactics require we carry the war into the enemy territory. This is Hannibal's own example. He is compelled to defend his homeland. They're drawing lots for the provinces. Scipio becomes proconsul of Sicily. Scipio receives Sicily in the drawing. This means Africa next. The largest army in Rome's history is marching on Carthage. The Senate is assembling in haste. Only Hannibal can save us. He must be recalled at once. Carthage welcomes your return and grants you full dictatorial powers. We are confident you will not delay in meeting the enemy. You refuse me help in Italy, you penny-pinching peddlers. Tell the Supreme Council I'll attack when I choose. Fate wills it. I, who time and again fought and defeated Rome, now ask for peace. If you had quit Italy voluntarily, the peace you now offer would have been welcome. I am responsible for your being here. If you find my terms hard, since you won't keep the peace, prepare for a war. evade the elephant's charge, draw the legions up in column. The spaces will be screened by other troops. The elephants will pass through harmlessly. We then turn and attack them on the flank. Trumpeters, sound the charge. Command Lelius and Massinissa to turn their troops, attack together, and crush the enemy's flank. Forward! Cannae has been avenged.